What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the Potensic A20W. We about to check this thing out, look at the flight characteristics and all. This is a Wi-Fi quad, so it does have a little camera up front there for Wi-Fi FPV, but we're going to check out the Wi-Fi capabilities later. I'm actually going to upload some video footage of this thing so you guys can see what the video quality is like and the still pictures and all. But for now, let's have a look at its flight characteristics. It does have altitude hold, comes with this transmitter here, so pretty decent transmitter and all. So let's take off with it. Okay, so it does have automatic takeoff with this button here. We're gonna hit that and it's in the air. Really stable. What's up, bro? Really stable quad. Check it out. I'm flying forward with it now just to get it out of the front of this construction yard here. Now check it out. It holds its height really nice. So it's doing that on its own. So let's bring it over here and let's look at the yaw speed. This is the yaw here. Really slow yaw speed right now. Let's have a look at it again. Really slow yaw speed. And this is side pitch there, aileron. This is forward pitch here. There is a slight breeze we're going towards now. This is backwards pitch. Okay, let's see if we can change the rates. So we're in high rates now. That was mid rates we were in actually. So this is the yaw speed now. Still pretty slow, but it did improve a little. This is side flying aileron. Forward flight here. Backwards flight. So it's pretty fast now. Kinda zippy. I don't think this does any flips or anything like that. Don't think it have. Oh, it might have headless mode. Let's see. It does have headless mode. So we're in headless mode now. Headless mode working pretty nice. I'm constantly applying yaw and I am able to still control it, as you can see. I'm going side to side now. So yeah, there is a button on a shoulder button on here on the right side. The one on the left is for oh and it didn't like that I was trying to do a banking turn really fast, and it didn't like that. It lost altitude really fast. But I was trying to say that button up top is for headless mode here. Let's see if we can do an automatic landing. So there's a one button land there. So I hit it and it's going down and it landed. And I just wanted to show you guys this here. This is the headless mode button. This is auto takeoff and landing. We have a camera button here and we have a separate video function button there. Pretty nice. And so this is the rates here. And this one here, I don't know what it does, but it does make a beep. Maybe it's, let's take off and see what it is. I'm thinking maybe it's a return to home, but it just flies backwards. Let's see. I don't know. It usually flies backward faster than that. It usually flies back faster than what it was just flying. So I'm going to say that this throttle stick, when you press it in, does nothing. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. So non-functional. But this thing is a pretty nice beginner's drone. Really for indoor flying. It's having a little bit of trouble with this wind out here. Let's take it up a little higher. It holds its altitude really nice though. Check it out. Flying it with one hand here, just controlling the forward and backwards pitch and aileron. Let me bring it down a little so I can show you guys. Check it out. So I am controlling it with one hand. The altitude hold is good enough to fly it with one hand. So you can see that there. So pretty nice little beginner squad here. It does beep to let you know when it's time to bring it in. And that red light in the rear is flashing. And eventually it's just going to land by itself. So we're going to just hang out here and let it hover until it lands by itself. And it's landing, looks like. And it landed. Pretty nice soft landings from this thing. The Potensic A20W. Thanks for watching.